Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine. In this presentation, we are going to understand the program how to find the roots of a quadratic equation. So let's understand with the help of an example. In programming, solve any problem. Logic is very important. So let's understand the function for getting the roots of quadratic equation. Here values a, b, c. It may change. We have to find out the root value of x so that left hand side become equals to right hand side. First we have to find out delta term to find out the quadratic equation. The formula for finding out the delta term is b square minus 4ac. Now we are putting conditions. If delta is greater than 0, roots will have true value. Then we find out the value of x equal to minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac. The whole term is divided by 2a. Here b square minus 4 is nothing but it is delta, so we can directly put delta value here. If now we are checking other condition, if d equals to 0, then roots will have one value. For this we have formula minus b upon 2a. If d is negative, then roots are imaginary. We can't calculate the roots. So let's understand with the help of an example. First of all, open your Notepad++. We have to use math function to solve this quadratic equation. That's why we import CMath library in Python. Now our next step is we are declaring variable. We want to input values through these variable a, b, c, and these values are converted into floating point values. Now we calculate the discriminant d equal to b square minus 4ac. Now we are putting conditions here. If d greater than 0, then x1 equal to minus b plus c math or square d. We are directly putting delta value here and whole the term is divided by 2a. x2 equal to minus b minus c math or square function delta. All term is divided by 2a. And we are printing the result with the help of print method. And if d equals to 0, now we are putting second condition. If delta is equals to 0, then we have to find out x1 equal to minus b upon 2a and we print the result with the help of print command. Otherwise no roots are available. So now we are going to run this code. Type alt plus execution. Now I am giving here value. If I am giving value a equals to 2, b equals to 5, c equals to 1, then it becomes the equation 2x square plus 5x plus 1. So open your notebook. You can cross check for solving this equation with your notebook. Now I am putting here a equals to 2, b equals to 5 and c equals to 1, and this is my output. The output are this. Because I am converting these output inputs into floating point value, this is the output. I hope all this concept is clear to you. How to find out the roots of quadratic equation in Python? What are the logic behind this? I hope this concept is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in message in my comment box. Thanks for watching this presentation. I will see you next one. Have a nice day.